Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the tinsels and lights and the presents are nice, but the real gift is you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the carols and bells make the halls look this well, and it's all about you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus, I love you.
Now this is how the birth of Jesus came about. There was a census taken of the entire Roman world, and everyone went to the golden city to register. So Joseph went up to Bethlehem, the city of David. He went there with Mary, who was pledged to be married to him, and was expecting a child. While they were there, the time came for the baby to be born, and she gave birth to her firstborn son. She wrapped him in cloths and placed him in the manger because there was no room for them in the inn.
And there were shepherds out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks by night. Suddenly an angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were afraid.
Fear not, the angel said, I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior who is Christ the Lord.
And this will be a sign unto you. You will find the baby wrapped in cloths lying in a manger.